Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Apex Legends store error on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Task Manager to completely restart Steam, which often resolves connection issues with the in-game store. In the bottom left corner of your screen, click the search bar, then type Task Manager into the search field. Click on the Task Manager app that appears in the results to open it. Once Task Manager is open, locate Steam in the list of running applications. Right-click on Steam, and from the menu that appears, select End Task. This will completely close Steam and all its background processes. Now, Steam will automatically relaunch itself after a moment. Wait for a few seconds while it loads back up. This fresh restart clears temporary data that might be causing the store error. After Steam has fully loaded, navigate to your game library. In the upper left corner of the Steam window, click Library to access all your installed games. Now you need to verify that the Steam overlay is enabled for Apex Legends, as this feature is required for the store to function properly. In the left panel, locate Apex Legends in your games list. Right-click on the Apex Legends name, and from the drop-down menu, select Properties. In the Properties window that opens, make sure the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game is toggled on. This overlay is essential for accessing the store and other Steam features while playing. Next, you'll want to verify the game files to ensure nothing is corrupted or missing. In the left panel of the Properties window, click on Installed Files, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will scan your game installation and automatically repair any damaged or missing files. Give it a few moments to complete the verification process. Now let's clear Steam's download cache, which can sometimes interfere with store connectivity. In the upper left corner of Steam, click Steam and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, look to the left panel and click on Downloads. Scroll down until you find Clear Download Cache. Right beside it, click Clear Cache. A confirmation window will appear asking if you're sure. Click Confirm to proceed. Steam might restart again briefly after clearing the cache, which is completely normal. And there you have it. You've successfully fixed the Apex Legends store error on Steam by restarting Steam, verifying game files, and clearing the download cache. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.